Surface tension in a liquid is due to cohesive force between molecules. A circular plate, a cube and a sphere, all made up of same material and having the same mass, are heated to 300 degrees Celsius and left in a room. Which of them will have the slowest rate of cooling? Sphere. Optic fibers are used in endoscopy. Two waves, each of amplitude 1.5 mm and frequency 10 Hz, are traveling in opposite direction with a speed of 20 mm per second. The distance in millimeter between adjacent nodes is 1. The snow on the mountains does not melt all at once when it is heated by the sun because it reflects most of the heat from the sun. A person standing on a railway platform listens to the whistles of arriving and departing trains. The whistle here is of higher pitch when train arrives. Holography is a technique of recording a permanent three-dimensional photograph of a given single color or a multicolor. The velocity of sound in moist air is more than in dry air because the moist air is less density than dry air. An ice block with a piece of lead embedded in it floats in water. If ice melts, the water level falls. The velocity of heat radiation in vacuum is equal to that of light. The plastic material commonly used for making gear wheels is nylons. Ultraviolet radiations of the sun do not reach the earth because earth's atmosphere is surrounded by ozone. Curie is a unit of radioactivity. Which of the following is used in oven? Microwaves. When heated from 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius, volume of a given mass of water will decrease and then will increase. Energy is continuously created in the sun due to nuclear fusion. In electronics, what comes under tank circuit? Capacity and inductance. Coolest tube is used to produce X-rays. Which of the following is used for regulated electric supply? Zener diode. The source of the sun's energy is the process of nuclear fusion.